Sex ratio is the number of women to men with a population with title to no outside interference. The ratio is naturally equal or very close to equal at one or one male for every female birth. Yet in some countries the sex ratio is not even close to equal and presents drastically low numbers for females. An imbalance between the sexes is caused by many things including war, gender selective abortions and mass migration. As a result, the society with gender imbalance will face future issues with marriage trends, fertility rates, and a large population of single men. Many countries in the Middle East are currently facing these problems, so that's why today we are talking about top 5 countries in the world with lowest percentage of women in the population. Number 5, Saudi Arabia. Saudi Arabia, country in the Middle East. Saudi Arabia official. The Kingdom of Saudi Arabia is a country in Western Asia constituting the bulk of Arabian Peninsula. Under the male guardianship system, a man controls a Saudi woman's life from her birth until her death. According to 2020 latest data, Saudi Arabia total population 37 million, but very shocking fact. In these huge numbers of population, only 43% of women. Number 4, Bahrain. Again, one more Middle East country in the list. Bahrain. Officially, the Kingdom of Bahrain is a sovereign state in the Persian Gulf. The island nation comprises a small archipelago made up of 33 natural islands and additional 51 artificial islands. That's good thing about Bahrain is women in Bahrain are generally more publicly active than women in other Arab countries. They are highly educated and are represented in all major professions, women's societies and women's organizations. They have the right to vote and around one quarter of women in Bahrain hold jobs outside the household. That sounds really great. Bahrain is very small country, that's why population in Bahrain only 1.5 million, but very shocking fact. In this population, women population only 38%. Number 3, Oman. Again, one more Middle East country. Oman official. The Sultanate of Oman is a country on the southeastern coast of the Arabian Peninsula in the Western Asia. Women in Oman now pursue careers and professional training. In Oman, 70 October is celebrated every year as the Omani Women's Day with various pro-female events. That's really good. Oman total population 4.8 million, but very shocking about this population, women sharing only 33%. Number 2, Qatar. Qatar is the most richest countries in the world according to GDP per capita. This Middle East country is a peninsular Arab country whose terrain comprises arid desert and a long Persian Arab Gulf shoreline of beaches and dunes. Also on the coast is the capital Doha, known for its futuristic skyscrapers and other ultra-modern architectures inspired by ancient Islamic designs such as Limestone Museum of Islamic Art. Qatari women dressed in abayas walking in the Doha Crunch. Women in Qatar, police is recording women rights is restricted to due male guardianship law. That's really not good. And restrictions influenced by the Wahhabi interpretation of Islam. In Qatar, women in parliament only 0.01%. According to 2012 data, women in labor force in Qatar 51%. Qatar total population around 2.8 million, but in this population, women sharing only 27.4%. That's pretty low. Number 1, United Arab Emirates UAE. UAE famous all around in the world because of Dubai city. The United Arab Emirates, sometimes simply called the Emirates, is a country in the Western Asia at the northeast and the Arabian Peninsula on the Persian Gulf. Women in the UAE have achieved some measures of legal protection in recent years 2008 to 2009. But very sad thing, 21% of Emirati women were part of the labor force. 2020 UAE total population 9.6 million, but women sharing in population just 26.7%. Logically, there is only one female for the 4 males. Guys, please hit the like button and share this video with all of your friends, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.